So the trick to assembly is aligning the core correctly with the two halves. Now, as we can see on the core, we've got these wider teeth, then we've got narrow teeth, and then we'll notice that one set of the narrow teeth is centered while the other is offset slightly. Now, this is the half that has a centered gap, which is where the centered teeth will escape, so it will sit like so. And then to get the teeth in there, we simply apply a bit of force while prying the fingers apart. Like so. Now, the reason we want the centered teeth at the top here is so that when this one turns, the offset teeth won't escape from those grooves. So then it's basically just a matter of forcing that down. There we go. Okay, so that's one half in. It's a bit rough on the teeth, but it seems to have survived. Okay, so time for the second one. So the easiest way to do that is to simply insert that all the way. I might just pause here and just explain this core a little bit. So this is the solved position where all the teeth are aligned, and then as the dial is turned, the teeth come out of alignment, and that prevents movement. So that's pretty much all there is to the puzzle. So basically you turn the dial until the teeth are aligned, and that allows it to come out to this halfway point and then turn. Okay, so on to the second half. So there's a couple of ways we could approach this. I would prefer to insert the core, like so, and then insert the other half. Just give it a bit of a jiggle. Didn't actually check if that was aligned correctly. 50-50. Actually, it's fairly critical to check that. Yes, we got it right. So if we look down here, I'm not sure if you can see that. We can see that the narrow teeth are aligned with the grooves that allow them to escape. So we'll just force that in the last little bit. There we are, assembled. So here's the assembled puzzle box. So in the solved position, we can open and close it to these various configurations. And then we lock the box by turning the dial. And this is still a bit stiff from the paint that got into the grooves, but we're still able to turn that. And now the gears are out of alignment, the core's locked, so that'll no longer open. So we'll turn it the other way. And there's no real indication of when those teeth are aligned, except for when the core separates. So we just apply a bit of tension to open the two cores till we find the spot where it opens.